my name's Stephen Nurse, and I wanted to show a design that I've done, which is a way of quickly and easily adding storage to a bike that's already got racks. So once you've got racks on a bike, you also need a box to go on top, or panniers or something like that. In this case, I've made an adapter for milk crates. These are fairly readily available. You don't have to go to the expense of panniers or custom making a box or anything like that once you've got these adapters. So they're just a bit of timber, and I've glued and screwed these bits together. So I'll just go through fitting the front and then the back. The back can be used as a stand potentially, so that's a bit wider than the front one. So I'll just get straight into it. So that's done. This is the back one, a little bit wider. So we're done. Now I'll just go through the reverse, which is removing storage. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.